Okay, what's up, y'all? So before this video even start, I edited and I realized that this video didn't even have I didn't even have an intro telling y'all what the video about. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So essentially, on my car, I had a bunch of spots that were like super oxidized from like basically just the sun. So the sun turned that from being like a black color to almost being like a grayish color, and then it just had like black spots. It didn't look good like at all. So essentially, I'm about to be showing y'all how to fix that in this video right here, as y'all probably seen by the title. So basically, that's what I'm about to do in this video, is basically show y'all how to fix that and how mine came out. And as always, make sure y'all click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's go ahead, let's get into the video.
And today we have Jay White. Everybody give him a round of applause. Alright, man, we're gonna get straight into it. I think the world has a question, and I'll be the first to ask. Who is Big Wavy?
It's funny that you asked that. I mean,
yeah, I can see this is side that I use it on versus side I didn't. So I do got one step with this side. I do gotta wipe it off. But essentially, y'all see what it does. So let me finish doing this and I'm gonna get back down.
Big Wavy is me. Jay White is more like the college kid that's been in situations with females, and he expresses that through his music. But Big Wavy, I mean, like, what can you say for the guy, man? If nobody knows, I mean, everybody should know. Big Wavy, just a big swag nigga. He fly. Cruising to the city with your bitch, you better not get mad.
Look, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like a night and day difference compared to like what it was. Like now I'm about to do this bottom part of the splitter. Y'all can't really see it, but that's the next part I'm gonna do. This part is like super dull as well, so I'm gonna show y'all that like just basically when I'm done.
Like a trash bag, better get glad I have a shit bag, nigga. Got time for these imposters, let me check my pen pal, nigga. No, these bitches be wild, I can't hear how the color on. Hey, why she do that? Why she do that? I ain't the nigga to lie to. I make music that niggas get high to and they can ride to. Interested in a little shawty, stand 5'2", she gon' 5'2". Nigga said that it's his girl, but she mine too, but he can't do the things I made her mind do. I just roll up and face it. Catch this contact contagious. When she with me, she get naked. Plan A didn't work, so Plan B she be taking out.
Man, my baby really coming together, man. This joint really. Yes, I know my car's still dirty. I'm not finished. And this joint's still wet, but man, my car really coming together, bruh. Y'all keep telling me my jump not tough. Hold on. Just get y'all to walk around, show y'all the inside. Inside really hard. I just got vacuum in here. But 8-inch screen. Look, man, Siri trying to talk to me. Look, 8-inch screen coming soon, you feel me? But yeah, bruh, it's like my whip really coming together, bruh. Alright, y'all, I'm at Wawa. I gotta get some gas, so I'll see y'all in a minute.
I don't play with her, don't play with her. She feeling Big Wavy, hey, just roll up and face it. Catch this contact contagious. When she with me, she get naked. Plan A didn't work, so Plan B, she be taking.
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's the next day, and already I just wanted to show y'all like basically how I did like overnight, and it's like a little bit through the day, and it's supposed to be like hot today. So bruh, it still looks good. There's some spots that I could touch up. Y'all can't really tell on camera because it honestly did like a great job. But even though some spots that I could touch up, it honestly still looks way better. Like, only part that I actually have to do again is this part right here, and it's really just on this side, so I'm not really too much tripping on that. But all in all, bro, that joint worked really good. And probably the next thing I'll do is I'm gonna plastic dip this black, so that way it just flows with the rest of the car. So I probably plastic dip that black, and then of course there's a bunch of interior stuff I'm gonna do. But I don't know if I want to plastic dip this in this video. I kind of just wanted to show y'all like the finished product of the back to black. Even my spoiler is like super black, and it's not oily at all. It only looks like this because obviously like it's been sitting outside like all night. It's kind of dirty now. But honestly, I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up like right here. Let me show y'all one more time what I actually used to do this, because I don't even know if I showed y'all like the materials. But what I used is one of these, just a little circle, like one. I don't want to call it a cloth. It's kind of like a pad, and I used Mother's back to black. So if y'all got any pieces that's like oxidized, anything that is like on the exterior of your car that kind of like, I guess it's faded, or it's like, in my case, mine went from being black to being gray. So if you had anything like that, definitely check out that product. Super cheap. It was like $10. And y'all, as y'all can see, yesterday these were gray. Like these were super gray. These were super gray. Now they're like back, like literally back to black. Like not even trying to be funny. So that's it. That's all for today. Well, not even for today. This video is gonna go up first, and then I'll probably plastic dip this today, and I'll try to get that up for y'all today. But if not, it'll definitely be up tomorrow. And appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at key.sowavy, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I'll put my Instagram on the screen so y'all can follow me. Make sure you subscribe. This is your first time here, and I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next one.